Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best merchandise stores using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first we're going to do Los Angeles, and the reason we're doing Los Angeles today is a lot of new TikTok influencers setting up merch stores in LA, big booming market for that industry, so that's why we're targeting it. And I'm just going to increase the radius to 30 miles here since LA is huge. Hit next to lock that in. We're looking for merchandise stores. I'm sure we'll get a lot of results in our sanity check. As you can see, we do, so nice. Hit next. We are looking for owners and founders and directors and executives. We are targeting one owner, but in case that owner has a C-suite title, we'll account for that. We are going to add just one filter today, which is not revenue. We're going to add one filter today, which is Google reviews. We're going to set this between a 3 and a 5. And that just means that these companies are respected by their clients and customers, and thus they'll probably be respectful towards you, and they'll just be easier to work with, which, benefit to you at the end of the day. So next to lock that in, we're going to move on to deliver. I'm going to reset all of these. We're going to add our phone number, Google review count, score, GMB profile, GMB claimed. Your Google metrics are really useful for just determining, where a company currently is in their marketing position. We're going to ignore direct dial as we're getting direct email already, and direct dial does double the cost of our contacts required. We're going to select all of our company social medias as well as our SEO. Just see the contrast between the two. For instance, if their SEO is really good, but their social media game is not, then they're spending too much money on SEO as is. This is useful for building a marketing package for these companies. We are also going to do revenue, headcount, and data established. This is just great for taking your 100 good leads to 20 great leads, and also for determining the longevity of a client. Ad pixels are how willing are they to work with marketers, so very useful. And then our technology filters are great for determining what they use, maybe what could they use. For example, if it's a merchandise store and they don't have an e-commerce website, that's something you can offer them if you have that skill. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in, finish it up, make sure to give it a title, set the context required. I always save a draft just in case I can go back. Just in case I want to change something, I can go back, change it without restarting from scratch, and then relaunch it. I'm going to launch it now though. As you can see, merchandise stores in LA, it's allocating, which means that our team should have it in your hands within about 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best merchandise stores using Coldlytics. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great day.